கவலை இல்லாம கலர் பிரிண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, அதுவும் மிக குறைஞ்ச விலையில. எப்சன் ஈகோ டேங்க் பிரிண்டர்ஸ். இது வெறும் ஃபேபுலஸ் இல்ல, இது டோட்டலி பிரிண்டபிளஸ்.
Especially being the captain and you let the team down for that particular moment, because you know it's a 50-over game. A lot can change, a lot can happen in that 50 overs. But that particular moment when something goes wrong and you don't feel right about it, because as a captain, the entire team is looking up to you, how you are on the field. So it's very, very important for a captain to show, that body language on the ground. And dropping catches, missing runouts, and all that happens. At the end of the day, I'm a human being as well, and I am allowed to make mistakes. But the problem is, when it happens, and it happens to someone else, you feel bad for them, for those guys, because I know that, whether it's a hat-trick ball or whether it's their first wicket, it doesn't really matter. I think what matters is everyone's putting an effort, to get that result in your favor. And when you see that effort being displayed and then something goes wrong, that is the disappointment you feel. Because personally, I've been on the other side as well, where I was not captain and where I was a player, and I've dropped catches. And when I used to bowl regularly back in the day, there have been people who have dropped catches in my bowling also and misfielded. But you get angry or you get pissed for that particular minute or so, but then again you get on to the job because there is a larger picture that you need to worry about rather than that one particular catch. So yeah, now being a captain and thinking from putting myself in their shoe and thinking, yes, you feel disappointed, but again, at the end of the over, I went to him, I apologized, and I said, I'm sorry, but life will go on. You have to come and bowl again and try and get him out again, because the work that we are putting in doesn't end here. We need to continue to build on this.
There are enough fielders who have dropped your catch also, so hisab barabar.
Bilkul.
So you've had great starts like in the World Cup, which you didn't end up winning. You have had horrible starts like in 2015 IPL, which you did end up winning. Right? So great starts mean nothing, right? And bad starts also mean nothing. What is your advice to all of the students here who are just starting their career, right? And it's going to be tough for them for the first few years. How should they get through this initial escape velocity?
No, yeah, we all know that initial step, that initial burst is going to be very, very tough. That is very, very natural, and everyone doesn't need to be worried about that, because when you start anything in life, whether it is nursery, whether you graduate and go into anything that you want to do, it is always going to be tough. But I don't think how you start matters. How you finish, what you do at the end of the day matters a lot. For a normal human being who are doing a 9-to-5 job, it's not about how you get to the office. It's about how you come back to home. That matters a lot. So I think my advice would be very, very simple, because I think life is very simple. We try and complicate things and make it very, very complicated. I know it sounds crazy कि यार life simple थोड़ी है, ऐसा नहीं होता है, कितने challenges है life में. But yeah, challenges तो हर चीज में. Anything we do in life, there is challenge. But we try and it is our responsibility, it is our duty to make it very, very simple. And how we can do that is by preparing well. And that is where I said preparation is the key. And that is something that I really believed in. And if you prepare well, you will really start well. And that is what you need. You need to start well. Once you start, then you have that momentum. You carry that momentum in life. Eventually, the life becomes very easy once you cross 50. बाद में 100 तक पहुंचना आसान है. वो पहला 20-30 बॉल, फर्स्ट 20-30 balls that we play, the new ball when it swings. मैं क्रिकेटिंग टर्म में इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि it is very relatable what I do and what you're going to do in life, because मेरा भी लाइफ कुछ ऐसे ही था, स्टार्ट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट था, बट वंस आई टुक द मोमेंटम, वंस आई सैट इन द प्लेन, वो प्लेन ने जो एल्टीट्यूड पकड़ा है वो अभी तक नीचे नहीं आया. And I think that is what matters, and I don't want that plane to land so quickly now. मेरे को अभी तक ऊपर रहना है. We all know, I'm sure everybody has traveled. That is why I gave this example of a plane. जब एक 35,000, 40,000 पे altitude पे जब plane पहुंच जाता है, you feel nice and relaxed. खाना वाना आ जाता है, we eat and we sleep. So that is what life is. Once you take that momentum, I think it's important you stay, and then obviously landing भी जरूरी है, but it depends on you when you want to land. That is entirely up to you all when you want to land. But life will give you opportunities. It's up to us how we grab it. There are ways to grab it, but I'm sure everyone here are different individuals. You will find your different ways to adapt. You will find different ways to use your skill sets to adapt, which is what the beauty of life is. Everybody is different, and you will find your ways slightly differently from the person sitting next to you. That doesn't mean there's anything wrong in that.
Okay. Rohit, we talk about all these matches, and everybody knows about these matches. What has been your favorite match, which perhaps we don't recognize as the audience in your lifetime?
Yeah.
एक कौन सा मैच याद आता है सबसे ज्यादा आपको कि यार हाँ ये था?
मेरे 500 मैच हो गए तो अभी
फिर भी
500 सिर्फ इंटरनेशनल मैच. आई प्लेड नियरली 300 IPL games as well. But see, मेरे लिए I would say that the games where everybody has given up कि यार अब कहां से जीतेंगे, कैसे होगा, for me those kind of matches are the ones that will always stay with me. I'll give you an example. I mean, recently this 24 World Cup is the best example because हमने शुरुआत ठीक से की नहीं थी, हमारे 3 विकेट गिर गए थे, and then we stitch a partnership with Aksar and Virat. We got that partnership. उसके बाद हमारा फिनिश अच्छा हुआ. We got to a very decent score. साउथ अफ्रीका ने अच्छा स्टार्ट नहीं किया. They lost couple of wickets. Then हम सबको पता है कि क्या हुआ उसके बाद. That is where people, I'm sure, gave up hope on the team, because when I came back to India, a lot of my friends told me, अरे यार जब ये क्लासन और क्विंटन डिकॉक खेल रहे थे, डेविड मिलर खेल रहे थे, हमको लगा कि यहाँ पे फिर से एक और वर्ल्ड कप चला गया हमारे हाथ से. तो ये सारे मैचेस है जो मेरे लिए हमेशा यादगार रहेंगे, एंड इट विल ऑलवेज स्टे फॉरएवर विथ मी, बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच लर्निंग दैट यू गेट फ्रॉम दैट गेम. इज दैट अगर जो बाहर से भी देख रहा है ना, उसको भी ये समझ में आएगा कि हाँ यार, we shouldn't give it up that easily, because there will always be a turnaround somewhere, and you have to wait for that turnaround, and you have to be in that right mindset to catch that turnaround. Turnaround आएगा, but you have to be ready for that turnaround. तो ये सब learnings ऐसे मैचेस से मुझे मिले. एंड आपने IPL का 2017 का फाइनल तो देखा होगा या याद होगा. We only got 129, and we were playing against rising super giants. They were 60 for no loss, chasing 129. 70 run चाहिए, 9 wickets in hand, easily chaseable. But again, that was the game. वो गेम ने मुझे ये बताया कि यार again, turnaround will come, but you have to be ready. And I was ready with my bowlers. कि जब टर्न अराउंड आएगा तो आई वांट माय राइट बॉलर्स टू बी रेडी फॉर दैट टर्न अराउंड, क्योंकि उनके टीम में काफी एक्सपीरियंस बैटर्स थे, एंड वी वांटेड टू हैव आवर एक्सपीरियंस बॉलर टू बॉल एट देयर एक्सपीरियंस बैटर्स. तो टर्न अराउंड आया, और मेरे जो दिमाग में चल रहा था कि ये जब बैट्समैन आएंगे, इनके सामने मुझे ये बॉलर्स को लाने हैं. तो ये सब टर्न अराउंड्स जब आते तो आपको रेडी रहना बहुत जरूरी है. तो मैं रेडी था. तो उस गेम से मुझे काफी कुछ सीखने मिला. एंड देन ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हमने टेस्ट मैच जीता था 2021 में गैबा में. हमारे ऋषभ पंत भाई ने played an amazing knock, from a situation where again nobody could believe that we could win, and in that game, all our first choice players were injured or missed out for whatever reason, and मुझे अभी भी याद है कि आई थिंक उनके कैप्टन, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के कैप्टन टिम पेन थे उस टाइम पे, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में उन्होंने कुछ बोला था कि आई थिंक पता नहीं क्या बोला था, बट इट वाज समथिंग दैट वी फेल्ट कि यार ये बंदे ने ऐसा क्यों बोला. एंड देन जब मैच शुरू हुआ, वी हैड 3 डेब्यूटेंट्स इन दैट गेम who played the game, or Gabba is Australia's fortress. They have never been beaten there. India is the first team to beat them there. So again, from a nowhere situation, we went on to win the game. Or obviously, you know how Test cricket is. Test cricket is not easy because of various reasons. Firstly, it goes on for 5 days. 5 days you have to be mentally so into the game, and ऑस्ट्रेलिया में खेलना सबसे डिफिकल्ट है. आप इंग्लैंड को पूछ ही सकते हो. So for all of us, to go and win that game and win the series in Australia was a great achievement, that the Indian team had. So that series was a big learning. So ऐसे लाइफ में मेरा 18 साल का करियर रहा है. 2007 में मैंने डेब्यू किया है, 2025 में है हम अभी इस जुलाई में, 26 जुलाई में आई विल फिनिश 18 इयर्स. तो ये 18 साल में मुझे इतना कुछ सीखने मिला है. आई हैव बिकम सच अ डिफरेंट ह्यूमन बीइंग, जो मैं पहले था और अभी हूँ. ऑब्वियसली वी चेंज इन लाइफ, एवरीवन विल चेंज इन लाइफ, बट ये स्पोर्ट की वजह से मुझे इतना कुछ सीखने मिला है, विच आई विल बी फॉर एवर ग्रेटफुल, बिकॉज जो भी चेंजेस मेरे अंदर आए, मुझे लगता है कि अच्छे के लिए आए, एंड इट हैज मेड मी अ पर्सन दैट आई नेवर बिलीव दैट आई वुड बी व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप. सो आई एम श्योर it's the same for them as well when they venture in their next challenges. They'll come out as a different individual and better human beings.
Awesome.
From what you are now. You are obviously better human beings now, but it'll be
awesome. But how do you surround yourself with the right people? What does your support structure look like? We always see your wife there in the stadium. She's always there supporting you. How else do you find support around yourself?
My family has played a huge role in this. Growing up days, like I said before, it was not easy. And I needed support of my parents, my grandparents, because I lived a lot of my life with my grandparents. And whatever I am today, obviously, they have a huge role to play in that, So at different stages of my career, different stages of my life, a lot of people have come in and, played their part. When I got married in 2015, and I knew my wife 7 years before that, I got married. So she's been a big influence in my life. She has made me understand what life is, how life is, because when I was growing up, I was like any other kid. लाइफ में क्या करना है कुछ आइडिया नहीं है, हाउ टू टेक लाइफ फॉरवर्ड उतना आइडिया नहीं था. बस एक ही चीज मालूम था कि क्रिकेट खेलना है बस. बट क्रिकेट खेलने के साथ साथ आपको बहुत सारी चीजें भी करनी पड़ती है, एंड दैट आई थिंक आई हैव टू गिव क्रेडिट टू माय वाइफ, बिकॉज वो सब चीजें मुझे उनसे सीखने को मिली. एंड या ऑब्वियसली वी वुड हैव लव्ड टू बी हियर टुडे, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली शी इज नॉट हियर. Happy birthday to her. But yeah, she's played a huge role in my life, and she's always been there as one of my biggest support system. And then the friends that I have, very close friends, they played a huge part. My coaches, different coaches at different teams have played the part. So If I keep going, the list is going to be very, very long. But yeah, there have been so many people, and I'm very fortunate to be surrounded with such good people around me. And yeah, I'm very, very lucky to be having such people around me.
You know, I have one last proposition. Rohit, you missed college life.
I did, and I regret it. Honestly, I regret it.
So on this stage, I'm going to make you an offer. Right, that we are starting our PhD program soon.
Okay.
And we have some great PhD guides with us.
Nice.
So please consider enrolling in the PhD program. We'd love to have you as our first student.
I would.
But ladies and gentlemen, that's Rohit Sharma for you.
Thank you.
You've been an inspiration, Rohit, to the entire country. What you have done for this country, what you have achieved in your life, it's going to be remembered for a very, very, very long period of time. Last night I was with my parents, and we were just discussing who are the top 5 Indians to live today, right? And we were like, okay, Modi ji, of course. And then we were like, okay, number 2, number 3. And then of course, Rohit, right? Has to be there, right? So that's where you stand in this country today, Rohit. We really all love you. We adore you. And thank you so much for spending this evening with us, the last evening and this morning with us. Even though it was your wife's birthday, we know how much she means to you. And still you took some time out for us. Guys, please give it up for Rohit.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable thoughts, which will go a long way in inspiring.